Hey there! Welcome to Smart Hustles Africa. If you're looking for real, practical ways to make money online in South Africa, even if you're just starting out, you're in the right place. The online world is filled with opportunities, but knowing where to begin can be overwhelming. That's why today I'm sharing 5 proven and beginner-friendly methods you can start using right now in 2025. All from the comfort of your home, with just your smartphone or laptop. Whether you're a student, unemployed, or working full-time but need a side hustle, there's an online income stream here that can work for you. Let's kick it off with freelancing, one of the fastest ways to earn online. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even Freework connect you with global clients looking for services like writing, design, voiceovers, admin work, and social media management. You don't need a degree, just build a solid profile, deliver value, and get rated. Then there's online selling. Use platforms like Takealot, Facebook Marketplace, or Jumia to sell products, either handmade, digital, or resold from local suppliers. You can even dropship. Third is affiliate marketing, where you earn passive income by promoting other people's products through links. Share affiliate links on social media, in YouTube descriptions, or via blogs and WhatsApp groups. It's a great model if you're good at content or have a niche. Fourth, consider content creation on YouTube or TikTok. If you love being creative, teaching, or reviewing tech or products, you can monetize your content through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate deals. And finally, we have online teaching. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or even private WhatsApp classes let you teach subjects like maths, English, coding, Canva, or even digital marketing. If you can explain something well, someone out there will pay to learn it. So, out of all these smart online income ideas, which one speaks to you most? Freelancing, selling, affiliate marketing, content creation, or teaching? The good news is you don't need to master them all at once. Start small, stay consistent, and build your hustle as you grow. If this video helped you or sparked ideas, let me know in the comments. I read everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a tip from Smart Hustles Africa. Thanks for watching, and remember, success favors those who hustle smart.